Hi everyone, this is your biology class. I'm your teacher Siva Atreja. Students, in today's lecture we are going to discuss the structure of human egg. We also called it as ovum or female gamete, in which chromosome number is equal to X, that is haploid number of chromosomes are present in female gamete egg. Egg in case of human being is a small cell which is normally about 0.1 millimeter in size, and it is a rounded cell. Now I am going to draw the structure of human egg, which is the rounded structure and a small cell of 0.1 millimeter in size. So this is the rounded cell, consists of its own outer covering, that is known as the plasma membrane. We also called it as vitelline membrane. Which is secreted by the egg cell itself. So we also called it as primary membrane. Inside the plasma membrane there is present cytoplasm, which is divided into two parts. The outer part of cytoplasm is known as egg cortex. We called it as egg cortex or exoplasm, which is less dense. The inner part of cytoplasm is more dense, which is known as the ooplasm. The inner part is known as the ooplasm, which is more dense than the outer cytoplasm, and inside the ooplasm is present nucleus, all organelles, and nutritive material yolk is also present inside the ooplasm. The nucleus present into the ooplasm is eccentric in position. Eccentric means it is not present into the center of the egg cell, but it is shifted towards the one side. And the nucleus in case of egg cell, we called it as germinal vesicle. Nucleus is known as germinal vesicle, which is eccentric in position. That is shifted towards the one side. That's why the eggs show polarity, that it has a two poles. One pole is known as the animal pole and the other pole is known as the vegetal pole. The side of the egg towards which nucleus is present represents the animal pole. Animal pole is that pole through which sperm enter inside the cell at the time of fertilization. And the pole opposite to animal pole is known as the vegetal pole. So human egg is showing polarity. It consists of two poles because of the eccentric position of nucleus. The end of the egg towards which nucleus is present represents the animal pole, and opposite to animal pole is the vegetal pole. Through animal pole, sperm enter inside the egg cell at the time of fertilization. Besides plasma membrane or vitelline membrane, which is the primary membrane and secreted by the egg itself, there are other membranes are present around the plasma membrane. The second membrane which is present around the egg cell is known as the zona pellucida. Zona pellucida is secreted by the follicular cells. It is a non-cellular cell. It is a jelly-like membrane in which cells are not present and is secreted by the follicular cell. The second layer which is present around the plasma membrane is the non-cellular jelly-like zona pellucida. So this is the second layer. What we called it as zona pellucida. This is the secondary membrane. Zona pellucida. Secreted by the follicular cell. It is non-cellular and jelly-like. Secreted by follicular cells. The third layer which is present around the egg is the corona radiata, which is made up of follicular cells. These are the corona radiata, which is made up of follicular cells. This is also secondary membrane. Which are present all around the egg outside the zona pellucida, made up of follicular cells. So this is the third layer, that is zona pellucida is the second layer, and corona radiata is the third layer. Corona radiata made up of follicular cells, and we also called it as secondary membrane. So this is the structure of the human egg. It is a small cell. It is about 0.1 mm in size, rounded cell. It consists of 3 layers. The first layer, that is plasma membrane, we also called it as vitelline membrane. This plasma membrane or vitelline membrane is secreted by the egg cell itself, so we called it as primary membrane. Inside the primary membrane or plasma membrane, cytoplasm is present. Cytoplasm is divided into two parts. the outer part is less dense and we called it as egg cortex or exoplasm, which is less dense. Inside the egg cortex or exoplasm there is the dense cytoplasm is present, which we called it as ooplasm. Inside the ooplasm nucleus is present, all the cell organelles are present and nutritive material yolk is present. Nucleus is eccentric in position, that is not present in the center, it is slightly shifted towards the outer surface. We called the nucleus in case of egg as a germinal vesicle, which is eccentric in position. Because of the eccentric position of nucleus, the human egg show polarity. It consists of two poles. The side of the egg towards which egg is present represents the animal pole, and the end opposite to animal pole is known as the vegetal pole. From the animal pole, sperm entry takes place inside the egg at the time of fertilization. Around the plasma membrane, two more membranes are present, which is secreted by the follicular cells or may be formed by the follicular cells. The membrane outside the plasma membrane is known as the zona pellucida, which is represented by orange color here. Zona pellucida is the non-cellular jelly-like membrane which is secreted by the follicular cells, and we count it as the secondary membrane. Around the zona pellucida, another membrane, we called it as corona radiata, which is made up of follicular cells, and we also called it as secondary membrane. In some egg there is present the tertiary membrane, which is formed by some glands present in the oviduct or fallopian tube. For example, egg shell. In some egg there is present the shell around the egg as a protective covering, and we count it as the tertiary membrane. Human egg is microlacithal. Microlacithal means very less nutritive material, that is yolk, is present in human egg cell inside the ooplasm, because nourishment is provided by the placenta through the mother's body. That's why very little amount of yolk or nutritive material is present in case of the human egg. So human egg is microlacithal, that is very